So hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. So in this video we're going to discuss how to get good marks in your maths exam. So here I'm going to tell you the 4 steps that you have to follow, and if you follow them, so you're going to get good marks. Okay, so step 1, which is your NCERT king. So this is the best way to score good marks in your boards. So firstly you have to read every single line from your NCERT to have a good clarity. Secondly, you should read every theorem and you have to practice every theorem at least 1 to 2 times to know the concept better. And thirdly, you should solve every questions and examples because as it come directly in your boards, and this will give you to achieve the best marks in your boards. So step 2, which is your notes making. Now here a lot of people say that it is not a science or SST that you're gonna make notes, but it's not like that. What you have to do, you have to solve a sample papers or PYQs or any type of questions. Then from there, what you have to do, you have to take hard questions which are feeling very hard to solve it, and you can't able to solve it in the first attempt. So you have to take them. You have to note it in a separate copy, and there you have to read every day to make your concept better and better. Then secondly, what you have to do, you have to make a formula copy or anything like any sheet, and you have to write every formula that you can able to memorize it. By doing this, it's going to be life changer before your boards exam. So step 3, which is going to be analyzing the pattern of the paper. So here, as I have told you in the previous step, that you have to solve sample papers and PYQs. So here what you have to do, you have to solve sample paper of the latest CBSE that has been given. Okay, so you have to check that, and you have to see what are the type of questions that they are giving. So from there you have to think and solve like that. Secondly, you have to solve NCERT exemplar MCQs, only MCQs, not whole example, because if you're watching this before your board exam, so yeah, do that. And thirdly, for case-based studies, you should practice PYQs, not whole PYQ question paper, but only case studies, as we know that it's not going to be hard, but some teachers say that it's going to be hard, that's why. Okay, secondly, then what you have to do for question practice, you have to solve only sample papers, and I'm going to give you 30 free sample papers. Okay, all the links are will be in the description, so you can check it out. So step 4, which is going to be do practice, only practice, because this is not science or SST that you have to do rattabazi. You have to only practice questions from anywhere, but it should be the latest pattern questions. Okay, not old pattern questions. Like solving only and only, I would recommend that you should only solve sample papers with the latest pattern that I've already given you in the description, so you can check it out. And also you can solve any reference book that you have, but only solve the latest pattern reference books, because every year the pattern has been changing, so you have to solve that. So this will give you the most marks in your boards, and you will not feel unconfidence while giving your boards. And I can give you one more tip, which is your exam tip. So this is a small tip, listen it for 2 minutes. Which is that while giving your paper, you should check it at least 2 times. Okay, at least 2 times to have a confidence. And secondly, keep revising. If you have time, keep revising. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a next video on science. For that, till take care and bye bye.